What is a composite kitchen sink? Dear friends, a composite sink is a modern kitchen sink made from a blend of natural materials and resins. Typically, it combines crushed granite or quartz with acrylic resins to create a strong, durable surface. This unique mix gives the sink a stone-like appearance while maintaining flexibility and resistance to everyday wear. One of the biggest advantages of a composite sink is its durability. It is resistant to scratches, stains, and impact, making it a great choice for busy kitchens. However, it's important to note that placing extremely hot pots or pans directly into the sink is not recommended, as sudden temperature changes may cause damage or discoloration over time. Another key benefit is its non-porous surface. This means it does not absorb liquids, helping prevent bacteria buildup and making it a hygienic option. Cleaning is simple. Just use mild soap and water to maintain its appearance. Composite sinks also come in a wide variety of colors and finishes. From matte black to soft grays and earthy tones, they can easily match different kitchen styles. On the downside, they can be more expensive than stainless steel sinks, and lighter shades may show stains if not cleaned regularly. Overall, a composite sink is a stylish, durable, and practical choice for modern kitchens when used with proper care. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.